Hi, I'm Chloe from Brit+Co. Thank you for chatting with me. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. How are you, Chloe?
Good. I'm so thrilled to talk with you, and I just want to jump right in since we have such limited time. But one of my favorite things to see in returning to a series, especially one that season one was just so phenomenal, and I'm so excited for people to see season two, is just seeing y'all on screen together again. And I'm
Mhm.
curious what your favorite cast adventure was behind the scenes, bringing the season to life.
Mm.
Ooh. I remember one day we were shooting Ep 5, which a lot of the returning cast are in, and we all like got pizzas because we were shooting late.
The cheese toasty van?
Oh, and the cheese toasty van as well.
Yeah.
But there was a pizza day too.
Who's that? Oh, yeah, Domino's. Yeah.
Yeah. And it was just like a really nice memory of us all like sitting on the floor of this very strange building
Eating
having
Domino's.
pizza because it's just like when you're filming crazy long hours like that, it's like the best pizza you've ever had in your life.
100%.
Yeah.
Yeah, without a doubt. And um these characters, Maggie and Eddie, are so strong. And I love kind of thinking about your approach to them in comparison, maybe to some of the other characters that you both have played. And I'm curious, who do you think out of your past characters, Maggie and Eddie would be friends with if there was a way for them to like meet each other in an alternate dimension?
Hmm.
Gosh, that's hard because I'm like Maggie likes Eddie. She doesn't
Yeah,
like
Eddie
she
likes
doesn't really like anyone
Like, no way.
else. Um,
As in characters we've played in different shows?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
she wouldn't be friends with Claire from Derry Girls. Um, she wouldn't be friends with Penelope, I don't think, because she thinks she
No,
was
Eddie
because
wouldn't.
Maggie's like quite up front and Penelope's like quite hidden behind stuff. Maybe Silky from Magic Faraway Tree, because she's just like a fairy who lives in a tree. And
Yeah.
Maggie would be like, it's a good story, let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think Eddie would be friends with any of the characters I've played.
Not Jill.
Not Jill. No, Jill's too sweet
Yeah.
and caring, and Eddie is just, anyone that's openly like that, she doesn't trust.
Yeah, you're like, oh, yeah, where's your damage?
Yeah. So nobody.
They like each other. And you know what? That's the most important part.
Yeah.
And I think everybody is obsessed with Big Mood season two when it premieres. What are y'all obsessed with right now? It doesn't have to be TV, but it can be.
Well, I mean, I don't know if you watched it ages ago, but we were talking about it in the car on the way here. Luke Featherston, who plays Ryan in the show, said to me like a year ago, "Are you watching Pop Star Academy, KATSEYE?" And I was like, why would I watch that? I wouldn't be into that. And then, did I ever eat my words? Because I watched it in the last few weeks, and I'm obsessed. And Lydia's
Same, I
also.
finished it. It's incredible.
It's incredible.
It's so incredible that I went to my eyebrow woman last week and I said, "Can you make my eyebrows like
Manon.
Manon's?"
Yeah.
And she was like, "Of course." So my eyebrows are now,
Oh my god,
but they're not as sharp. But
hers are really
I
straight,
want
aren't
that.
they?
I want that, but you have to shave half
You have to
off.
shave it and draw it in. That's
Yeah.
a big commitment.
That's scary.
Yeah, I'm just obsessed with how talented they are, and like now I'm
And
like,
how hard they work.
they work so hard. But I do you think she's coming back? I don't think she's gonna come
I
back.
don't think so.
I think she's
But
done.
also the meaning.
Sorry,
of
do you even know what we're talking about? We're like, do you think she's coming back? Are you aware of the KATSEYE drama?
Time will tell.
Yeah, my heart of
Yeah.
hearts says no. That's okay.
Yeah. And final question. I am curious to hear from both of you. What is maybe a scene or an episode or even just a moment from these new episodes that you are really proud of and you're really excited for people to see and engage with?
I loved shooting the episode with Robert Lindsay, who plays Maggie's dad. I think it's really beautifully written. I think Camilla did a brilliant job. And I think it deals with a lot of very tough things with a lot of humor, but it gets really deep. And I think there's a line in that one which sort of Maggie, I'm going to steal this line from someone who said it earlier, but sort of breaks like a generational curse and sort of addresses
Yeah.
what's going on with both of them in a really brilliant way. Yeah, that.
Yeah. Absolutely. Well, it looks like that's actually all the time that I have. But thank you so much for chatting with me. I love talking to both of y'all every time I get the chance to. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.
You too.
Thank
Thank you so
you.
much.
Take
Thank
care.
you.
Thank you.